How's it going, everybody? Welcome back here. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can recover your deleted Instagram messages by using your iPhone and Android in this 2022. Now, in order to do or recover your messages, the very first work that you want to do on your iPhone or Android, go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and quickly after that, tap on your profile. Once you're here, tap on this three-dot line, and here, choose your settings. Now, once you're here, all you gotta choose, go ahead and choose your security. From there, you'll be able to see this option called download data. Go ahead and tap on there, and quickly after that you need to enter your email address that you want to just get your files off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address over here, and then I'll tap on request download. Now this is going to ask you for the password of your Instagram applications. Go ahead and just do that, and go ahead and tap next. Well, once it gives you this option called download request, this is going to take a little time depending on how many files that currently available on your Instagram. Now within that moment, you will get an email. So just go ahead and tap on done, and now get out of your Instagram applications. Well, after a while, now just go ahead and open up your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my email from here, and quickly after that you need to choose whichever your email is. Then you'll be able to see your Instagram has sent you a mail here. Go ahead and tap on there, and the mail will be looking like this. Go ahead and tap on download information. Now this is going to ask you for the password. Go ahead and enter your password one more time over here. Go ahead and tap on login, and now tap not now. And now you're going to see this option called download information. Tap on here, and now of course you're going to get this pop-up. Hit on download. Now once your download is completed, go ahead and tap on this A icon over here, and now tap on download. Now after that you're going to get your file over here. Just tap on there, and now you need to find out your files. Now this is our file, so I'll go ahead and tap on there, and now this is going to create a folder. Go ahead and tap on your folder, and now you need to find out your message. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of folders available, including comments, contacts, content, and more. Now just go ahead and find out your messages. Now once you get the messages option over here, go ahead and tap on there. Now from there you'll be able to see the messages that you have just done with your friend before. Just go ahead and open up the HTML file, then it will show you the messages. So this is the pretty much it that you guys can literally follow in order to find out your deleted messages on your Instagram application. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and we will talk to you later.